Do you have a bike? These days lots of people have a kickboard, but some friends have a bike too. If you ride a bike, sometimes it gets very difficult to ride. Then you should check your tires just like Jake in our story. You may need to put a little bit of air into those tires and then it's easier to ride again. Here's today's question. What made the bike tire fill up? Discover. Today's materials: air launcher and foam rockets. Okay, let's launch a rocket into the air. Now, very simple. This is our launcher, and all we have to do is take the styrofoam rockets and slide it in like this, okay? And instead of a trigger, what we do is we just squeeze the bottom of the launcher like this. Whoa! Did you see that? Point at your friends or each other, okay? We want to point at the wall or something else. Do not play around with the launchers. It can hurt and someone can get hurt, okay? Now, let's try again. Now, you can also do a competition with your friends. See who can make the rocket launch farther. Or you can take a cup like this and see who can launch their rocket into the cup. Here we go. I'm gonna try. Ready? I didn't make it. Okay, again. Thank you. All right, if you squeeze it hard, it will go farther and sharper. If you squeeze it gently, it'll go closer to you. So you can practice how much pressure you use your hands to launch your rocket. Oh, I did it! Think why. How can this gun, even though it has no trigger or anything, shoot the rockets so far like this? Because of air pressure. If you feel, look, it's empty inside, right? There's nothing inside. That means there's air inside. There's not nothing inside, there's air inside here. So if you push like this, all the air pushes out of your launcher and shoots your rocket. The rocket we made moves because of air pressure. So air can fill all sorts of space. It doesn't have to be inside a launcher. It's actually all around us. Think about when you blow a balloon. Sometimes some balloons are round, some balloons are long. There are many, many different shapes. Air fills those balloons and can take the shape of many, many forms. You know, big, round, long, or thin and long. So air can be anywhere. The material that fills up the space inside we call gas. All right, think more. Air can move in many places. Think about bubbles. I love playing with bubbles. What do? And it fills what? Bubbles. Air fills the bubbles and moves around. Also, think of a soccer ball. We use a pump to fill the soccer ball with air. And sometimes the air in a soccer ball goes out and it turns flat. We can make it round again by pumping more air into it. And I talked about balloons, right? Some are long, some are round, some are ovular. Well, using these different shaped balloons, we can make balloon art. Fill balloons with air to make animals, flowers, and so many more shapes.